Hello, dessert lovers. Today we have something incredibly delicious and unique in store for you. It's a bread rasmalai. Rasmalai is a classic Indian dessert. It gets a fantastic twist today as I show you how to make it with a delightful twist using bread. Get ready to experience the sweetness, the creamy texture, and the flavors that will transport you into this dessert heaven. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Picking petals, always landing on a different one. No, back and forth, push and pull, I'm coming undone. No, cause I'm going off of a feeling between the lines, yeah, I'm reading. Don't make me guess, give me hope, spell it out for me. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? I'm just asking to give me a shot. Do you love me? Do you love me? 'Cause I see in your eyes there's no reason to fight. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? 'Cause I see in your eyes there's no reason to fight. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? I'm just asking to give me a shot. Do you love me? Do you love me? 'Cause I see in your eyes there's no reason to fight. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? I'm just asking to give me a shot. Do you love me? Do you love me? 'Cause I see in your eyes there's no reason to fight. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? I ask how you feel, you just stare, you don't answer me. No, on the truth over there, what will make you see? No, I'm the one that you've always been needing. I can sit here and list all the reasons why I feel how I do, and will you believe? No, do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? I'm just asking to give me a shot. Do you love me? Do you love me? 'Cause I see in your eyes there's no reason to fight. Do you love me? Do you love me not? Do you love me? Do you love me? Picking petals, always landing on a different one. No, back and forth.